Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube video. The topic for today is Law of Attraction. What is Law of Attraction? Friends, Law of Attraction, as the name suggests, anything that you desire, you wish, will be attracted in your life. So how does this law work? It works same like the law of gravity. What is law of gravity? Anything that goes up, like this ball, will come down. Anything what you feed into your mind will be registered in your subconscious mind, and over a period of time it will become a reality. If it's so, we all desire for happiness, for health and for wealth. Why do we all not have the same? I will illustrate it to you through an example. Supposingly a person named Raja wants to be happy and peaceful. Raja is a well-informed person and he likes to watch news channel every day, which during the lockdown he is spending 6 to 7 hours of effective timing watching the news. These news, if you consider, I am talking about the current scenario, will majorly talk about something which is to be related to corona, the virus, the number of deaths, and how the people are suffering. This will be registered in his subconscious mind. So what is the picture created? Picture created is very clear in his subconscious mind that remaining healthy is a uphill task. It's real tough to be healthy in this world, current scenario we are counting. So at some point of time, he is just telling his subconscious mind that he cannot be healthy and that will happen to be truth. How he needs to function? In an easy example, he needs to be informed. He can watch the news for some time, but he needs to condition his subconscious mind by telling himself, by giving affirmation that he is a healthy person, his body can fight the virus and he will stay healthy by having healthy food and having the right thoughts in his head. Friends, this goes for everything that we desire in life. It could be a great relationship with your spouse, with your family, with your friends. You need to create that right picture in your head first. You need to be clear what do you want from that relationship. If it's a relationship which is built on mutual trust, certainly you need to have that. You need to have correct affirmation that I love my family, I have a great support of my friend, and this will certainly help you to create a happy family life. Friends, anything that you desire which has your mind, body and your soul involved in it completely, you will be able to create miracles. So anytime you want to achieve anything, the universe will be helping you, will bless you to achieve it. It's just that you need to condition your subconscious mind in the right way. How do we start with it? Anytime we wake up, just thank the Almighty, thank God for all His blessings, and you start your day by saying the right affirmation that today is going to be a great day. I'm going to achieve what I am wanting to achieve. I am a healthy person, I am a peaceful soul, and you can achieve anything that you want in your life. Friends, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please do like, share and subscribe my video. Until the time we meet again, goodbye. Thank you.